Hi guys, we are going to start our brand new unit today for Writer's Workshop all about biographies. But before we jump in, we are going to learn about what a biography is and then listen to one. So a biography is a text that is written to inform the reader about a real person's life. The person the biography is written about can be alive or deceased, which means dead. So, characteristics of a biography. The author is someone other than the person that is featured in the biography, and it includes important events from the person's life. And the author can use narration to share snippets from the person's life. So, they kind of look at different parts from their childhood all the way through where they are now in their life, or if they've passed away, when they died. And so we've actually read a few biographies in our America's Beginning unit about George Washington and John Adams. And today we are going to read one about Walt Disney, which is super cool because he was actually born here in Chicago. So let's take a look. Early life. Walter Elias Disney was born on December 5th, 1901. He was born in Chicago, Illinois. As a boy, Walt loved to draw. He sold his art to family and friends. He took drawing classes in school. In 1919, Walt moved to Missouri. He worked at the Kansas Film Ad Company. There, he learned about animation. To Hollywood. In 1923, Walt moved to Hollywood, California. His brother Roy joined him. They started Disney Bros Studio. There's a little Mickey Mouse. Look how old that Mickey Mouse looks compared to today's Mickey Mouse. And by 1928, the studio had grown. Walt had created Mickey Mouse. He featured Mickey in silent cartoons. The cartoons did not do well, so Walt added sound. He voiced Mickey Mouse in Steamboat Willie. It was very popular. Animated films. In 1937, Walt released his first film. It was called Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. By 1964, Walt had made more than 18 films. Legacy. Walt's last big success was Mary Poppins. This film released in 1964. In 1966, Walt passed away. Walt's greatest dream would come true. His brother made sure of it. Walt Disney World opened in 1971. And then they also have a Walt Disney Land or Disneyland out in California, which is really cool. And they're all over the world as well. I know there's one in Paris. I think there's one in Japan. Um, so now that you know what a biography is, you guys are going to click this link right here, which is going to take you to a list of people that you can choose for your biography. So you are going to pick a person that you would like to research over the next few weeks and learn more about them, and then at the end, write a biography. So all you have to do today is read the list of names and then email your teachers who you're going to choose, just so we know. And then your parents are going to get an email soon with one form of research that you guys can use, and then tomorrow we will give you guys another link for research. So hopefully you won't have to do too much on your own, that the resources we provide for you will give you guys enough information to write this. And if you have any questions, let us know.